Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. I was chatting with a woman who's 75 years old but looks 50, so I decided to ask her what her secret is to keeping her skin young and hydrated. Any guesses as to what it might be? She uses rose water. Ever heard of it? She says this inexpensive little ingredient has rejuvenated her skin for over 35 years. Rose water is a skincare product that's been around for a long time. Cleopatra used it, Shakespeare wrote about it, and over time it's become an essential product in a woman's routine. Rose water may be an old trick, but even compared to modern cosmetic products, it still proves to be super efficient. The young people of today probably don't know it, but rose water and rice powder were beauty products that every woman had at home. The women of that time may not have used all the products we have today, such as serums, tonics, facial oils, masks, and creams, but rose water was the one product that wasn't missing in any household. And if you ask me, they were right, because rose water is an ingredient that improves the skin in many ways. It moisturizes, cleanses, soothes, and purifies. Its cosmetic properties are recognized and appreciated, which is why it's still used in many cosmetics today. Learn more about its benefits now. It moisturizes the skin. Rose water has antioxidant and soothing properties that can soothe and moisturize the skin. It's good for skin treatments. It promotes the healing of wounds, pimples, and acne and reduces skin blemishes. It has anti-inflammatory properties. These properties help in the treatment of open wounds, cuts, and scars. It fights infections and inflammation in the eyes. It can also be used to fight inflammation in the eyes, such as conjunctivitis. It has an antiseptic action. When applied to wounds, rose water acts as a natural antiseptic, disinfecting and reducing the risk of spreading bacteria. It tones the skin. It thoroughly cleanses, renews, and soothes the skin, keeping it hydrated. It can also be used to soothe the skin after shaving or exfoliation. Those are great benefits, right? But you're probably wondering, how do you make rose water? Put 1 cup of washed and dried rose petals in a glass bowl. Add 2 cups of boiling water and cover it. Let it stand for 30 minutes. Then use a tea towel as a strainer. Strain it and put the water in a sterilized container. Let it cool and store it in the refrigerator until you use it. It's important to make sure that the roses are organically grown. Usually these flowers are treated with chemicals to make them last longer, which can affect their properties. You can use this recipe as a natural tonic. Just apply it daily on your face with a piece of cotton. Did you like to know this ancient and effective recipe? As you've seen, rose water has many benefits for the skin. Do it and try it out. If you already know it, tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like the video. Wishing you good health. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.